Now in winter your vehicle can get stuck in snow, forcing the driver and the passengers to spend the night on the roadside. So what you need to do is plan your journey and consider not driving. Now, if you do decide to drive, keep abreast of the travel bulletins throughout the day. Clear the snow and ice from the windscreen and roof, and don't use water because it can crack the glass. In icy or snowy weather, your stopping distance can increase by up to 10 times when compared to dry weather conditions. So keep a wide gap between yourself and the vehicles ahead. Road conditions can change rapidly over a relatively short distance, so extra diligence is required to prevent losing control. And when approaching a bend, brake progressively whilst on the straight, and once your speed slows down, steer steadily around the bend. Avoid sudden actions that could cause a loss of control. For more driving lesson tips, download my training guide from the link on screen and the one below. Good luck and thank you.